Okay, so here it is, the new part for my R33 GTR. And based on the size of this box, I'm sure you know what it is. And this is gonna be an upgrade for the stock strut tower brace. Now, if you're unaware, this is a Midori Seibi car or a Midori Seibi catalog's car. A lot of Midori Seibi parts in here. And this is one of the final pieces for this car here. This is a titanium strut brace for the R33. So let's just open this up and see how it looks. And here it is, pretty big. Ooh, but light. Because this is a titanium kind of product, it is susceptible to fingerprints, and because of that, I am gonna put some gloves on for the remainder of this install here so there's no fingerprints. All right, gloves are on. Let's take a closer look at this strut tower brace here. And this thing is huge, guys. And pretty nice overall. But take a look at this, guys. This thing is pretty impressive. And for the size, it is really light, which makes sense. It's titanium. Now, this is a very similar kind of formula that you see from the actual Nissan Nismo kind of strut bar or the actual like Mines strut bar. Very wide titanium, and it looks really, really nice. Now, one additional feature of this strut tower brace here is this little brake booster stopper right here. This presses against the brake booster to actually give a more definitive feel on the brake pedal when you're actually driving the car pretty hard. So, real nice. What do you think? It looks pretty cool. You got the Midori Seibi Center branding right here. All right, so let's get this old one here removed and we can install this new strut tower brace. Okay, so here's the factory strut tower brace here. Pretty nice and neat by Nissan. Really cool that they actually installed this in their factory car. But this is pretty easy to remove. It's pretty much just 4 bolts. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. So let's remove this. I have my breaker bar here. It should be a 14 millimeter. And we're just gonna get these off. Wow. That's pretty tight. There you go. All right, I'm gonna go to the other side and do the same. All right, here's the 2 other bolts on this side. Make sure I don't damage anything. Yikes. That sounded pretty good. All right, I'm just gonna remove these since I'm here already. Now, there also are some washers here. That's good, take that off. And then here's your washer. I'll keep them here. All right, that should be it. And this thing should come off. Now, there's a chance this may not come off because the chassis could be loaded. And what that means is that all the weight is on the wheels. Sometimes you do have to jack the car up to get to flex back in to get this off. All right, mine just come off pretty easy, so let's take it off. And there it is, GTR. This thing is pretty strong, guys. This is no joke. The OEM version is pretty stout. Now it is steel, so it is heavy, but it does work. Now this gives me an opportunity here to actually inspect the strut tower right here and see if there's any rust. What I suspect is true. This thing is very, very clean. This is a really nice car. And I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit before I actually put the new one on. Okay, so let's just clean this side right here. There are a few scratches from the previous strut bar. All right, let's clean this side. Now, I did mention that I want to inspect the strut tower right here, and that's because these cars are notorious for rusting right here, and I do want to prevent them from happening in the near future. So, before I install my new strut tower brace, I am going to install a Garage Yoshida protective plate, and that's going to prevent the new strut tower brace from actually scratching this surface. We do have some scratches here from the previous one, but we have these here by Garage Yoshida. These guys are based in Osaka, and their whole mission is to prevent this from happening. So you have this right here. It's pretty much a nice little plastic, and that's gonna prevent your new strut tower brace from scratching this surface. Now, they do sell these in different versions, like a half moon or a full moon. The OEM is a half moon circle, but because I do have a full circular one, I got the full circular protective piece right here. And let's put this other one over here. Pretty cool. All right, the time is here. Let's put this on and see if it can go in here. Now I'm kind of worried about this brake booster adjustment. All right. All right, as suspected, it's too long, so I'll have to adjust this. Do that. Screw that in. That looks amazing. I'll probably do the brake booster last, but that looks sick, guys. Dang. Let's zoom in here a bit. That looks sick. All right, now the Midori Seibi titanium strut bar does come with some new washers, so I will use that. Let's see if I can reach the other ones. Maybe not. All right. Perfect. It's as simple as just putting these nuts back on here. I guess since I'm here, I'm gonna torque this down a bit. That's pretty good. Let's do the other side. All right. Now they're both torqued down by hand. Now I'm gonna really give it the nice torque here. That feels really good. All right. All right. That's officially installed. Now I want to install the actual master cylinder stop. All right. I have that thing flush. And this looks sick. Can't believe one little mod makes it look so much better. Take a look at that, guys. Really nice, clean install. Matches the engine bay. It is a Midori Seibi engine, Midori Seibi strut bar. Now, if you guys want to see this little brace right here, here's what the brace looks like. What that does, press against the actual master cylinder. So when you hit the brakes, this kind of braces against that and gives you a more solid pedal feel. So yeah, guys, that was a quick install of the Midori Seibi strut tower brace, titanium. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. I'll leave links to this down below as well, guys. Now, I do have some other mods for this car upstairs, guys, so there'll be tons of videos trying to modify this car. This is just probably the second mod on this car so far since I've had it. So if you want to see more mods in this GTR, this all-tech 4-door, yeah, hit that subscribe button there for you to be notified whenever I do drop those videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.